अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो कृपया सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कीजिए।
A boy who is citizen of India and who has completed 5 but not 10 years of age is eligible to become a cub. The boy who completes the full course of cub program, he will be able to do a daily good turn, express himself in creative skills, satisfy his needs for adventure. After successful completion of his bunny activities, the boy will enter into cub pack. Let us see. One cub is explaining his uniform for us.
कब यूनिफॉर्म।
नमस्ते, मैं सार्थक स्वेतांगी। मैं श्री चंद्रशेखर विद्यालय प्राथमिक शाला सीखपुर से हूँ। मैं आपको कब वर्दी की व्याख्या देने जा रहा हूँ। आइए शुरू करें। शावक वर्दी में एक स्टील ग्रे शर्ट और नेवी ब्लू हाफ पैंट के साथ 2 समान जेब और कंधे की पट्टियां शामिल हैं। ऊपर से शुरू करते हुए नेवी ब्लू पी कैप है और आगे हमारे स्कार्फ जो गले में पहना जाता है और स्कार्फ धारण करने के लिए एक उगल है। बेज में शोल्डर बेज शामिल है जो कि सीम के ठीक नीचे है और यह दोनों स्लीव्स पर होना चाहिए। अगले हमारे पास शोल्डर बेज जो बाईं तरफ स्लीव के ऊपर है। अगले हिस्से में दाहिने पॉकेट के ऊपर एक नेम स्ट्रिप है और बेज लेफ्ट पॉकेट के ऊपर है। यह लेकर पॉकेट के बीच में वर्ल्ड स्काउट बैज है। हमारे अलावा हम भारत स्काउट और गाइड के अधिकारी ग्रे नेलेक्स बेल्ट पहनते हैं। बेल्ट के नीचे हमें काले मोजे और काले जूते पहनते हैं। धन्यवाद।
कब यूनिफॉर्म। शर्ट, a steel grey shirt with 2 patch pockets with shoulder straps with half sleeve or rolled up sleeve. Shorts, navy blue shorts. Headdress, a blue cap with yellow piping and logo of a wolf cub supplied by the National Association. A Sikh may wear dark blue turban with logo of wolf cub supplied by National Association. Scarf, a triangular scarf of the group color other than green, purple or yellow and pattern approved by the local or district association as the case may be, shall be worn around the neck, over the collar and shoulder strap with a group buckle other than Gilville buckle. 2 sides of the scarf shall have each a minimum length of 70 cm and a maximum of 80 cm. Belt, grey Nylex belt with official buckle of the Bharat Scouts and Guides supplied by the National Association. Shoulder patch, an equilateral triangular piece of cloth of 6 colors, base of which shall be 4 cm in length, sewn at the top of left sleeve immediately below the shoulder badge with points upward. Shoulder badge, a shoulder badge of 6 to 8 cm length and 1.5 cm width with white background and red border and the serial number and name of the group in red letter shall be worn on both the shoulders immediately below the seam with little curve. Membership badge, a cloth badge with blue background and fleur-de-lis in yellow superimposed by the trefoil with Ashoka Chakra also in yellow in the center shall be worn in the center of the pleat of the left pocket of the shirt. World Scout badge shall be worn in the center of the pleat of the right pocket of the shirt. Stockings, black socks below the knee may be worn. Footwear, black shoes, leather or canvas with lace. Name strip, the name strip containing the Bharat Scouts and Guides supplied by the national headquarters may be worn on just above the right pocket of the shirt. Pratham Charan badge. Pratham Charan badge is a cloth badge. The background shall be blue in color and the star will be a 5-point star in white. It will be worn above the Bharat Scouts and Guides name strip or at the same place on jersey. Vidya Charan badge containing 2 stars, it shall replace on uniform the Pratham Charan badge. Tritiya Charan badge. Tritiya Charan badge containing 3 5-pointed stars in white, it shall replace on the uniform Vidya Charan badge. Chaturtha Charan badge containing 3 5-pointed stars with an arrow below them, all in white, it shall replace on uniform the Tritiya Charan badge. Golden Arrow badge. Golden Arrow badge will be on the blue background with golden border with a prominent golden arrow with Bharat Scouts and Guides emblem in the center. The golden arrow badge will be worn on the center of the left sleeve.
Cub proficiency badges.
Chaturtha Charan
Cub may earn any of 6 proficiency badges or all remaining proficiency badges. There are 22 proficiency badges which are divided into 5 groups. Syllabus for the proficiency badges is as given in the appendix of APRO page number 87. All proficiency badges shall be worn on right arm in the parallel rows. This is all about Cub uniform. We will meet in next video for the Scout uniform. Till then, thank you.